The 6-tier bookshelf that VEVOR sent to me arrived really well protected, and everything was in great shape as we took it out of the box. We laid out all the pieces and grouped the like items together and just followed the instructions, and I was really surprised about how easy the assembly was. It took us less than an hour to put together, and once it was assembled, it felt super sturdy. The metal frame and the shelves, which are actually made out of MDF, but I wouldn't have known that if I hadn't looked it up. It felt super stable, and each shelf can hold up to 50 pounds, so you don't really have to worry about it overloading. And I was impressed by both the quality and the look of the shelves. I love them. The open shelf design of it gives you plenty of storage space without making it feel all cluttered in your room. The metal kind of is a modern industrial sort of look to it that fits in so many different spaces. We're actually using it in a hobby room, but it would work just as well in a home office, a living room, bedroom. We really like the scratch resistant surface that is super easy to wipe off and keep clean. And the adjustable foot pads that it comes with really help because I think our floors are uneven, and these really help to keep the bookshelf even if the floors aren't. Overall, it's just really stylish, sturdy, it's versatile. It's a great storage option that could fit in almost any space. It's a great choice if you're looking for a functional bookshelf. We are really happy with it.